Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome you all for today's video lecture. This is second module's sixth video class. Topic for today's discussion is internet. We'll discuss about the internet. Means what is the use of internet, why we use internet, what purpose we use internet. We'll discuss in today's video lecture. In previous video class, we have seen the wireless transmission media, means three types of wireless transmission media and network architectures. So today we shall discuss about the internet. Internet introduction. In the present age of information technology, use of internet is becoming quite popular for accessing information on any topic of your interest. Means if you want to access the information of your interest topic, so you can access the information. You can search the information on internet easily. It also provides tremendous opportunity to students, researchers and professional for getting information on matters related to academic and professional topics and lot more. So it is a tremendous, means it is a nice opportunity to the students. If they doesn't understand any one topic, so yeah, they can see the all videos related to that topic. They can watch the videos, that all videos are available on net. With the help of this internet, they can watch that video, they can access the information, they can access the notes, they can search all types of information, whatever they want they can search on internet. So it is a tremendous, means it is a very nice opportunity to the students or researchers to search the information on internet. Then, in the present world, most of the people who have computers around themselves use internet to access information. Means all are using the computers. In computer, all are using the internet to access the information from the world wide web. Exchange messages. If they want to transfer message from one place to another place with the help of this computer or mobile devices, with the help of the internet, they can send the message from one place to another place. Means they can communicate with means one person communicate with the another person with the help of this internet. And documents and e-services. E-services means if you want to do the banking transactions at your home, so this is available nowadays, this is available online. Means you, with the help of this internet, you can do your all banking transactions at your home. So these are the facilities are available. These are the facilities you can use with the help of this internet. Then internet means what is the definition of internet? The internet is a globally connected network. How we are, how we all are connected with one another globally with this system that uses TCP, means transaction control protocol, and internet protocol to transmit data via various type. With the help of these protocols, we can transmit the data from one place to another place. Means how we connect, one person can communicate to the another person from one place to another place. Then types of uh, transmit data via various types of media. With the help of the different types of media, we can transfer the data. The internet is a network of global exchanges including private, public, business, academic and government networks connected by guided and wireless and fiber optic technologies. Guided means wired and wireless transmission media. There are two transmission media: wired media and wireless media. Wired transmission media is called as a guided media, and wireless transmission media is called as a unguided transmission media. With the help of this, means how one device is connected to other device with the help of wire, and how one device and other devices is connected with the waves, means without wires. This is called as a wireless. With these technologies, with the help of the internet, we communicate with one another from one place to another place. The term internet and world wide web are often used interchangeably, but they are not exactly the same things. The internet refers to the global communication system. So we can call it as a internet is a global communication system. So globally we communicate with one another with the help of the any device, and with the help of internet we communicate with one another from one place to another place, including hardware and infrastructure. Using the different hardwares or different infrastructure or different devices, with the help of internet we communicate with one another. While the web is one of the services communicated over the internet. This world wide web, how we connected with this world wide web, how we can search the information with the help of this world wide web. Then uses of internet means, what is the use of internet, why we use internet. Internet has been the most useful technology of the modern time. Means in today's life internet is very important for everybody. If you want to access information, that purpose we use internet. If you want to communicate with the another person who lives in abroad, so easily with the help of this internet we communicate with that person from this place to that place. And then next, which helps us not only in our daily lives but also our professional and personal and professional lives developments. Means in personal or professional lives developments we use the internet. The internet helps us achieves this in several different ways. For the students and educational purposes, the internet is widely used. Means students can use the internet for access the information, means access the notes. If they want to see the any related topic videos, they can watch. They can find out the meaning of any word on internet, any topics information on internet. So they can use to gather information so as to do the search or add to the knowledge of various subjects. For acquiring the knowledge of various subjects, they can use the internet. With the help of this internet they can acquire the knowledge of all types of subjects. Even the business professionals and the professionals like doctors access the internet to filter the necessary information. Means doctors, they can use the internet to access the different types of information for their use. The internet is therefore the largest encyclopedia for everyone in all age categories. In all age categories are using the internet to access the information. The internet has served to be more useful in maintaining contacts with friends. If you want to contact with friends and relatives who lives in abroad permanently, if they all are if your friends or relatives are lives permanently in abroad, how you connect with that person. So from this place to that place, with the help of this internet you can communicate with that person. Means you can call, video call, you can get a video call, or you can transfer the message. Means you can communicate with that person who all are lives in abroad permanently. With this, with the help of this internet you communicate with that person from this place to that place. Then applications of internet. Applications means, what is the use of internet, in which field, what purpose we use the internet, we'll see in next video class.